I'm quitting.
On the opening night?
It's for the better. They understood he could take my place.
Why? You love singing. You love the arts. Why would you throw that away?
My family...
No! If your father's as good as you say he is, then he should just let you stay here and do what you love most. He's nothing but the rotten excuse of a father. Don't go back to them. Just stay here with me.
What are you talking about? They're all I have.
No, they're not the only ones. You've got me.
I'm sorry, but I don't even know you that well.
Well, I know who you are. I know what you are. I know everything about you.
What are you talking about?
I'm a police officer.
So that's it? You were just using me to get information? Is that it?
At first, yes. But I got to know you. And I found out...
Don't you dare finish that sentence! You're despicable! You scoundrel!
And you're not?
I'm not a bad person, Carlo.
I know you're not. But your family is. They killed my friend!